Whenever you want to speak English on random topics, you need to take care of these 3 points which I'm going to share in this video. So now let's start with the first. So the first point is you need to keep it simple. You don't need to talk about big topics initially. Just start with small. Take all the basic stuff, hobbies, movies, weather, everything you can include, and one by one you can talk about it. Just start with simple sentences you can use and vocabulary you can use in your ideas. When you are explaining your ideas, you are being in a conversation. For example, hey, have you tried that new coffee place? Boom, conversation started. So like this you can start conversation. You can talk on random topics and then gradually you can increase your level. Okay, moving to the next point. Ask open questions. When you are asking open questions, they are going to explain everything, and that's how conversation is going to be a longer, right? Now, what do I mean by open question is that when you are asking something, do not let them finish the conversation by saying yes or no. Just ask open questions. For example, instead of saying, do you like music? Which they can easily answer with yes or no. Ask, what kind of music do you like? Why do you like this music? What inspired you to like this music? Open questions. When you ask to someone, they like to talk to you. They like to speak more about it. So always ask open questions. This way people will actually talk to you and will engage in the conversation with you. A third point, which is very important, react naturally. When someone is saying, I like hiking, I like this and that, just do not nod like robot, okay? Instead, react naturally. For example, whoa, you like hiking. So where have you been for hiking recently? Like this. You can react naturally so that the speaker can be comfortable and they can actually speak with you and the conversation can be a longer, right? Remember, conversation is like ping pong. It's not like one-way speech. You also have to speak, and similarly the person you are speaking with, they are supposed to ask some questions, some engagement you're supposed to get from them. So it is important to ask questions, to reply from both of you. So next time, just relax, pick a simple topic to talk about, ask open questions and react like a human. So talking is not hard, it is just the sharing little moment. Well, if you like this video, do let me know in the comment section, like the video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet you in the next videos.